Hi everybody, welcome to a new episode of Easy English. So this time, we're going to head to the streets of Brighton and make conversations about work. We're going to find out what the people of Brighton do for a job, find out the pros and cons, and any advice they would have for any aspiring people looking to get into their line of work. Hi.
Hiya.
How's it going today?
Good, thank you.
Oh, good.
All right, yeah, you?
Yeah, pretty good. I'm happy to be out filming on a nice day. How's it going?
All good.
Nice. And what are you up to today?
Just on a walk during our lunch break.
I'm here on tour. I'm tour managing for a musician named Sean Rao.
Today we're doing some stuff for work. So my partner here, we're doing stuff for Cowpokes in the Bunkhouse. So it's a recent show that we're doing. So we're going around and we're putting stickers everywhere. Just to get it out there, get a bit of advertising for them.
For the Fringe?
For the Fringe.
Are you guys studying? Are you working?
Yeah, we're both studying.
Yeah, both different universities, but same topic.
But both in Brighton?
Yes.
Nice, okay. And what are you both studying?
Film.
Film. Nice.
Yeah, we're on holiday this week, but we live here. We're just staycation.
Staycation, that's always a good option. And what would you usually be doing on a day like today?
Working, I guess.
And where do you work at the moment?
I work at the University of Sussex.
Ah, right, interesting. As what job?
In international student recruitment.
I'm a solicitor. I work in private client work, wills, trusts, and probates.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you?
I'm a trainee solicitor, so I'm training in privacy, risk and compliance law.
We're just on our days off.
Days off.
What do you both usually do?
Well, we're both musicians, but we've also got our day jobs. I do housekeeping.
And I work at Asda.
Yeah.
Nothing retail.
But aspiring musicians.
Aspiring musicians.
I'm a barista, so just at cafes and everything like that.
Nice.
Yeah.
For like a big brand or
No, just a little tiny brand in the middle of nowhere.
Is that how you like it?
Yeah, it's good and bad, but I'm going to university, so it's my job before then.
You're both work colleagues?
Yes.
Okay, and where do you work?
Martin Crane case listers.
It's a law firm.
A law firm. Okay, are you lawyers?
Yes.
We are.
Tour manage, yeah. So I take care of the logistics for the tour and make sure we're not sleeping outside and getting to places on time and things like that.
Solicitor?
No, I'm a commercial manager for strategic accounts for a large global company we sell construction and mining equipment.
Wow, okay, interesting. Okay. And yourself?
I'm a commercial photographer. I shoot primarily food and drink for food and drink brands.
Cool. Are you putting makeup on tomatoes?
No,
and
gross.
Stuff?
No, that's off. We keep everything natural.
Good.
So mostly because we want to eat it after we shoot it. That's yeah.
That's primarily
shoot
the
it
reason.
quick so we can eat.
So this topic brings up a really useful recommendation for you, which is our Easy English conversation calls. Our conversation calls are a great way for you to improve your confidence by just doing it. Speaking in the English language by making mistakes, which is all part of learning a new language. We try to make an inclusive and stress-free, relaxed setting where you can come and improve your English speaking skills by just doing it. If you're interested, we're offering a 7-day free trial of our conversation membership, so you can come, test out a free call and see how you like it, and hopefully you'll become one of our regular members. Now back to the episode. How are you enjoying your job today?
Today, I'm loving it. I feel like just going around like a little dog. I'm happy. I love it. Anything I can do to help my partner here and help the company, I love it. So, and I love the arts. So anything to support the arts, I'm here for it. So,
good on you.
Good on you.
What are you hoping to get on to do after you finish studying? But maybe specifically.
I want to do camera work.
Okay,
Definitely
nice.
work with cameras, the technical things.
Okay, and how about yourself?
I'm really interested in documentary making.
What are you going to study to?
Digital marketing. So it's going to be very exciting. I'm very excited to do it.
And would you like to work for a certain company when you've graduated?
Not at the moment, but there's quite a few options I'd like to maybe pursue. But I'm just doing marketing at the moment to see what I want to do in the future.
What do you both play?
We're both guitarists.
Guitars
actually, yeah.
and vocals.
Yeah.
In the same band?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice. What's your band called?
We haven't decided yet.
No, really early days actually.
Yeah.
We both had a few projects that kind of
Yeah.
fell apart.
Yeah.
And we're like, might as well do something together, you know?
That's a great idea.
Yeah.
And what kind of style? Or do you not know that either?
No, we've got enough
alternative, punky.
There's a bit of indie.
Bit of indie.
Bit of like emo.
Yeah.
Because I mean, look at me.
We're just those pretentious musicians. We do our own thing, man.
We do our own
We do
thing.
our own thing.
Yeah, I think, is this the Aussie band, Going Smoko?
Oh, the Chats, yeah.
Chats.
Yeah, I know this band, yeah.
Yeah, they're brilliant.
Something like that, maybe?
Yeah.
In parts, to be fair, yeah.
Yeah,
In
yeah,
parts, yeah.
As a trainee solicitor and a solicitor, that's right. What are like the pros and cons of this job and this study?
Ooh, good question.
That's a really good question. Not one that I get asked often enough, or often at all. I guess the pros would be you get a satisfaction of doing something for someone, helping someone through a really tough time, and helping someone with a problem.
Pros, I get to be in Brighton, you know, and like have 2 hours or like an hour and a half to walk around Brighton, and you know, a lot of different places. I usually get a little walk around the venue. It's a nice community to be in. I like to support it and facilitate, you know, just keeping it going.
It's lovely doing lots of different jobs and sort of connecting with lots of people across the world.
Yeah, that must be nice to meet new faces every
Yeah.
time. What are some cons to the job?
Oh man, it's tiring. It's long hours.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you can't work out the hourly wage because it doesn't make sense, but you know, it's a great thing to do with my time. So I love doing it I love doing that with my time.
I quite like the variety of the work I do, so every day is kind of a different day. So it keeps the brain sharp, I think. It keeps things interesting.
Yeah.
But obviously then the other side of that is very long hours, so it's not always a 9 to 5.
It can be stressful.
Stressful. Long hours?
It can be long hours. Sometimes the clients are upset, so it makes things difficult for us to manage their emotions.
Right. Yeah. So
but-
quite demanding job, is it?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Cons, it can get really busy.
I bet. Right. Oh yeah, right. You probably have like really busy periods and really not busy periods.
With the recruitment cycle.
And what are the pros and cons of studying film?
I guess the uncertainty of it is quite a hard thing to get into after university, but it's all about who you meet while we're here, so
that's a good point.
Yeah, it's very fun.
It's very fun.
Creative.
Do you have any advice for people who are also looking to study marketing?
Just pursue what you want to do, and maybe there's all different routes in marketing, so you can pursue any type of job you want.
Go to gigs, have fun with it. Have fun with it as well. Just go to gigs, meet people. You never know who you meet.
Just like make as many films as possible. Just do it.
Create. It
Don't
doesn't
wait.
matter if it's good or bad. Just create and then you'll get better. It's a
Nice.
learning curve.
I think just get after it. You know, get to just be involved in your community.
Get as much experience as you can.
Okay.
Just in terms of different kind of areas of law, different law firms, and do a bit of research about what you'd like, to make sure that you are in it for the long run, because it's an emotionally difficult job and long hours, and so you need to be passionate about it to want to do it.
Oh, nice to
it's
say.
not all suits.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice to say. Well, thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
No,
too.
pleasure. Lovely to meet you too.
Thank you.
Take care.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Have a
and
nice
you.
rest of
Take
your day.
it easy. Thanks so much.
Nice to meet you.
Cheers, thank you. It was really nice to meet you.
Yes, and
Have a nice
you.
rest of your day.
Thank you.
Okay, it's nice to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you too. Yeah, it's cool you're doing this.
So good luck with that.
Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So it was really nice to meet all four of you. Enjoy your time on your staycation and visiting.
Thank you
so much.
See you later.
Thank you.
No, it's nice to meet you too.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Thanks for watching this week's episode. Let us know in the comments below, as a challenge, what you do for work and the pros and cons of your line of work. And as always, we'll see you next time. Ta-ra!